Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we won't be discussing anything about nails. I want to show you this quick, delicious banana split smoothie recipe. You can create this any way that you like, but I'm just going to show you something that I like and I think you will like. First, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We are only going to be using 4 ingredients to create this. You will need a blender. I'll be using my Ninja. I will be using this Fairlife protein milk. It is reduced fat. Peanut butter. This is 1 frozen banana. I cut it up previously and I froze it, bagged it individually. And some frozen strawberries. Now, let's get straight into the video. And keep in mind, guys, these are the measurements that I am using for the amount that I want to prepare today. But these amounts can be adjusted to your liking. This is no way a nutritional video explaining health benefits or nothing like that. I'm just sharing this easy, delicious recipe that may help you. Now, it is reduced fat because a banana split is delicious, but it probably has a whole bunch of calories. And this gives you the taste, and the calories are definitely lowered. Okay, we have the sugars in the fruits, the natural sugars in the fruits or whatever, but oh well, it's better than adding all kind of sugars. You feel what I'm saying? So if you guys make this and if you like it, whether you like it or not, if you make this, please let me know in the comment section how you enjoy. Y'all, if I would have had some frozen pineapples, I would have added that too. And keep in mind that my fruits are frozen. Had they not would have been frozen, I probably would have had to add some ice cubes in it. But the frozen fruits give it the icy coldness, okay? So this is just optional, but you know I had to put a cherry on top. Y'all, this tastes so good. I'm out of camera range, but y'all get the point. If you guys make this, I hope you enjoyed. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.